Welcome back to Morgane Eats. I'm Morgane F, and here on Morgane Eats I talk all about affordable, approachable, plant-based food. And today I'm cracking the question, is Misfits affordable, or should I just go to the grocery store? So, if you ever wonder that question, stay tuned. We'll find out together. Alrighty, let's get into this. So here I have my some of my Misfit items, the ones I thought would be easiest to find. Now the thing to remember about Misfit is for the most part, and I do believe all the produce are organic. So I just price compared using the Instacart app at a local grocery store called Hy-Vee. It's not a bargain grocery store or anything like that. And unfortunately, I wasn't able to find organic for all of them. I think there's a couple I see several that are conventional. So we are going to take that with a grain of salt as well. And we're going to see which one is actually cheaper, thinking about it being organic. Okay, so first things first. I eat your brains up, and I'm going to start rocking gold teeth and bangs up. Okay, everyone has that. Since this is at the top, I'll just say this baby spinach. Baby spinach. So let's find it on my list here. Baby spinach. Baby spinach was $3.49 at Misfits. At a regular store, which I did find organic, it was also $3.49. But this is a 5 ounce, and that was a 3.2 ounce. So, Misfit wins. Moving on. So, oyster mushrooms. Oyster mushroom pack. Okay, I can tell you right now. I already know this ain't going to be right. So, the oyster mushroom pack at the Hy-Vee at the grocery stores was $3.99, right? But it was not 8 ounces. It was like 5 ounces. So these are not apples to apples. So this pack was actually $6.99. So I would say that's probably compatible, because that's about $7, and that was about $4. So that's, if you think about it, doubling it, then yeah, that would be compatible. I could not find trumpet mushrooms at that regular grocery store. And I love these trumpet mushrooms. I'm going to make Cuban pulled pork with this. I'm very excited. So maybe I'll make a recipe of that. So we're just going to ignore that one. That couldn't be found. Portobello mushrooms. So, yes, this was comparable. 6 ounces. So we found portobello mushrooms for $4.99. Portobello mushrooms here, 6 ounces, $3.29. Misfits is the winner. That's my Misfit pal. That's my grocery pal. Okay. We have our spaghetti squash. At the grocery store, for an organic one, I did find an organic one. Oh, nope, sorry, this is conventional. But this is organic. So the price for the organic one from Misfits was $2.29. The price per pound was $1.69, and they said each on average was probably about $4.95, and that's for a conventional one. So Misfits wins again. Can she say she's impressed already? Because I didn't know what was going to happen. I probably should have told you guys at the beginning. I didn't look at this stuff. I printed this out. My husband highlighted it. I did I did pull this information. That's why I know the ounces and stuff, but I didn't look. So, a pepper. Now, can we just talk for a second about why red peppers are so freaking expensive? I think I already know how much this is without even looking. Yeah, these are usually like $2, but particularly at this store, the organic, like the conventional, right? This organic one is $2.99, so we're just going to say it's $3. So I got 2 of these. This is just for one. So I got 2 of these at Misfits for $2.79. Boom. Misfits wins again. I'm not even like, I don't even know. I don't even know if this is even fair. Okay, we have our English cucumber. Organic English cucumber. I did find at the regular grocery store for $2.99. Now, this one right here in my hand from Misfits was $2.09. So a win, but not by much. My win pile getting real big, y'all. So, I found some apples. These are organic sweetie apples, which reminds me of the rapper. And my best friend, she a real bad. Okay, that's it. We can't afford that. So I was able to get 4 of these from Misfits for $2.79. Remember, guys, these are organic. So let's see. So I just looked up regular organic apples. They're not that They're not that kind of apple, but they're 88 cents each. I got 4 of these. So we did a little math. $3.52 for 4. So how much I say sweetie things worth? $2.79. Misfits wins again. I just don't even know if this is fair. Okay, y'all. A couple more things. Oh, I don't know what the price of the lime is. Lemon. 3 counts of lemon. Lemon was not found conventionally. So let's see here. 1 lemon at the grocery store is 88 cents. I got my computer over here just in case this happened again. So that is $2.64 for 3 of these. And our organic lemon is $2.29. So pennies, but still cheaper. So slide that over. Okay. We got our little itty bitty zucchini. Now, given at the grocery store, perhaps the zucchini would be a little bit bigger. So our zucchini that was organic for just one was $1.06. But I don't know, guys. Sometimes these zucchinis are puny. So I got 2 of these zucchinis for $2.29 at Misfits. So 106 plus 106 got to be a little bit less. I think it's like $2.12 maybe. That math was in the head. Y'all see, I ain't even look. And if I'm wrong, don't have me in the comments. But I don't think I am. I think that was right. But anyways, Misfits is still cheaper, guys. Again, I did not look up the lime. Sweet potato. And again, an organic sweet potato. $1.72 organic at the grocery store. Now, I don't remember how many I got of these, but that's 1. So I am finna go over here and look at my computer to make sure the math is mathing. Okay. I got 2. Well, we already know if it's $1.79, if you get 2, that's going to be more than let me let you in. So it's a 2 count for $2.29. So obviously this was cheaper, but would the ones at the store be bigger? So you got to think about that, but I'm still going to give it to them. Okay. Butternut squash. So this butternut squash was $2.39 at Misfits. Butternut squash per pound is $2.49. And I'm sure this has to be at least 2 pounds. Maybe 1.5 pounds. I'm being generous. So it's got to be at least $3 or $4 at the grocery store. Okay, this beautiful cauliflower. Yes. Okay, an organic cauliflower is $3.69 at the regular grocery store. But I paid, let me see where we going, $2.99. So about 70 cents less and still cheaper. I'm running out of space on my winning aisle over here, guys. Okay, a few more things. We're going to just ignore this little line here because I didn't see it when I was looking downstairs. Okay, organic grape tomatoes. Grape tomatoes, not cherry tomatoes. I always get those confused. $2.99 for 1 pint. Now, I don't believe that I found an organic version of the grape tomato. No, they're not. They're conventional. Of the grape tomatoes at the grocery store. They are $2.50. So this is a wash. So we have wins and washes. Last up, our beautiful Tuscan Kale. So organic Tuscan Kale at Misfits is $1.69. Conventional kale at the grocery store is $1.99. Wow, guys. And then I have a few drinks to treat myself with. Ice cold drinks. So I brought these two out, and I probably could have brought a couple other items out to say, clearly, we can see that the produce, organic produce, if you're in the market for organic produce, I would continue to purchase from Misfits. And if you want to, there's always a link in the description of these YouTube videos. I don't say it because y'all already look. Y'all already do the things because y'all have signed up. Thank you. But if you're interested in organic produce, perfect. But now that they have like a grocery store of things where you can kind of look down items, that's where you can pick up some dollars. Because I will buy things like these drinks, which I don't know where else to get these from, and other little knickknacks that they probably were not selling well, or maybe something's wrong with the packaging or whatever the case may be. And I don't think those prices are fair prices. So the produce, but I don't know. So maybe that's part 2. We'll have to compare and see. But I don't think it'll be apples to apples. So produce by far, if you're wanting organic produce, this is the place to go. But maybe just skip the groceries and just get the produce. Because sure, they have a minimum that you have to spend $30. You'll get to 30, most likely, right? Then you pay your little shipping, and that's all you need. Maybe grab a few little knickknacks from the grocery store, but not too much. Don't go crazy. Keep your coins. Okay, guys. This has been really interesting to me because I really thought that the grocery store was going to beat out Misfits, but I don't know why I sleep on the underdog. The underdog usually, sometimes, possibly could win. I root for the underdog, and Misfits, you got it. So, thanks so much for watching. If you gained value from this video, or if you just gained some entertainment from watching me compare and make a fool of myself for not being amazing at math, that's okay. I'm a marketer, not a math person. Please please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.